Hi, my name is Drusilla.
Hi, my name is Mariska.
And we're from Girl Scout Troop 10374, the Nine Pen Pathways Council.
And we're doing the Astronomy Club Patch Program, discovering the stars.
From the Girl Scouts of Eastern Oklahoma. And we're just gonna basically talk about astronomy stuff. That's what it is.
Do you want me to read that?
Perhaps, hold on. The astronomical unit is the distance from the center of the Earth to the center of the Sun, which is about 149. Is that a 9 or 4?
149.6 million kilometers. Which is...
And light year is it's in the name. It's the distance that light travels in a year, which is 9.4607 times 10 to the 12th power kilometers. That's very far. That's very far. That's a lot of zeros.
Yeah.
It's a lot of zeros. And a parsec, Star Wars. I didn't realize it was an actual thing. I thought this was a Star Wars thing. Is 3.26 light years. It's distance from.
So it's the distance of the distance of the radius of the Earth to the angle of the 1 second of arc.
And what is it called?
A parsec.
Parsec.
So they use that reference in Star Wars.
Yes.
Cool.
It's like the near center of the Earth, but like to a certain like degree of angle in the arc of that.
It's how long
what
the
a
arc
parsec is.
Gotcha.
Like in Star Wars, if you watch that, it's where Han Solo makes the castle run in 12 parsecs. You get that reference?
Gotcha. Okay.
And person that invented the first telescope was Han Lippershey.
But most of the time when people like first search it up, they think that it's like Galileo. But no, it's actually Hans.
And there are many different pieces to a telescope. You know, the eyepiece is the magnifying lens you look through. The optical tube is the really long body of the telescope. The finder scope is the small optical scope to locate stars. Don't know exactly where that is. You know, the tripod is what the telescope stands on. And the mirror is used to reflect light into the telescope. And the objective is the first lens that collects the incoming light. And constellations are a group of stars that form a pattern, which can be pretty much anything. I mean, look at what the Greeks called lines.
The Big Dipper and the Little Dipper kind of look like ladles. Very popular.
And a circumpolar constellation is a constellation that stays in the sky all year, which is different depending on which hemisphere you are in.
Oh, that's interesting. I did not know that.
It's like the North Star stays in the sky all year. You know.
So is the North Star in the sky all year in the southern hemisphere or no?
No, because...
No, just in the northern.
That's because we live in the north.
So what is in
It depends. So what we're seeing right now, because we're in the north, it's different this time of year. The people in the southern hemisphere won't see that. We see different constellations at different times of year than the south hemisphere.
Yeah. So, you know, So 4 circumpolar constellations are, the Ursa Major, which contains the Big Dipper, because the Big Dipper is the tail, and the Ursa Major is a bear. And Draco, don't know what that looks like.
Isn't it a
Cepheus,
dragon?
maybe.
Draco?
I mean, one
We
would
have a
assume, I
pretty
don't know.
dragon named Draco.
And Cepheus, don't know what that looks like. And Cassiopeia, don't know what that one looks like. I've never heard of those last 3.
You could look
By
it
the
up.
way.
Could look it up. Go ahead.
Google is a wonderful thing. And then a zodiac constellation is a constellation in which the sun appears to travel through. It's like if when the sun travels through that constellation. No, that changed though. It changed
That's
how
weird.
that works.
No, yes, I know that it changed how that works.
What?
The zodiac signs.
They
Because
changed it because they added a couple.
Yeah.
Because they added a couple that weren't previously in there.
Pithithith?
What?
There's one Oculus or whatever. Or
Yeah,
no.
they added some.
Ophilius.
Yeah.
The most known zodiac signs go by certain times of month. So I'm born on the 16th of August, so I'm a Leo. Now that has changed apparently.
I know,
They
it might have, it might
zodiac
not.
signs. So they changed what dates mean what. So Drusella's born on the 10th of April. So
I mean, I don't think
this
mine
is
changed.
in Aries right here.
So it depends on if it changed from when they added the 13th zodiac.
Yeah.
back in.
Gonna look it up. Gonna look up the new dates now.
Alright, so what do you got?
And galaxies. Galaxies, a system of stars, gas, space dust, planets, all bound by gravity. The name of our galaxy is the Milky Way. And our galaxy, the diameter of it is 2 million light years, which is a lot. It's a lot.
I'm getting to it. Sign dates. Oh, maybe I'm not a Leo anymore. So they changed it now. So, okay. No, stop. So now there's Capricorn, Aquarius, Pisces, Aries, Taurus, Gemini, Cancer, Leo, Virgo, Libra, Scorpio, Ophiuchus.
Let me see it. Let me see it.
It's the second and bottom one. It's above Sagittarius.
Ophiuchus. And Sagittarius. It is in
Sagittarius.
Yeah.
Which all the rest of them except the one is changed. So the new dates are for Capricorn, it's January 20th to February 16th. Aquarius is February 16th.
Okay, no. You gotta read the chart because that one isn't added in yet.
Yes, it is.
No, it literally says in the thing that it hasn't
No, that's
been
the
added
old dates.
Oh.
Don't listen to her. Aquarius is February 16th to March 11th. Pisces is March 11th to April 18th. Aries is April 18th to May 13th. So you are no longer an Aries. You are a Pisces now, my friend. Taurus is May 13th to June 21st.
That means dad is a Pisces. It doesn't seem like a Pisces.
Gemini is June 21st to July 20th. Cancer is July 20th to August 10th. Leo is August 10th to September 16th. I'm still a Leo. I'm fine with that. I'm a proud Leo. Virgo is September 16th to October 30th. Libra is October 30th to November 23rd.
Nope.
What? Hold on, you're what?
Scorpio is November 23rd to November 29th.
So what is November 23rd?
Oh. It's probably... I think it's...
Is it just non-existent?
It's the middle, man. It's the way that they wrote it. It's like it's the day before. So it's the day before that. So then Scorpio is November 23rd to November 29th. And then Ophiuchus would be November... I think it's November 29th to December 17th. And then Sagittarius is December 17th to January 20th. Which it's drastically changed to the bottom.
So, now that is debatable because there's some people that do not recognize Ophiuchus. How do you say it?
No, there's actually another one though.
Yes,
I forget what that one is
There's
called.
been a bunch throughout the history. Like I'm a Scorpio, and I will not be whatever that was.
What is it?
Ophiuchus?
No, the Libra.
Libra?
Whatever. Yeah, nope. All right. So what else you got?
That's it.
That's it. Okay.
Thank you.